Hi, I just wanted to show you this awesome bird feeder that I just got. I'll show you how it works. Comes with 3 suction cups that you put on the window. Don't mind the airplane. Comes with this piece, then this piece which you put inside, and then you just put the suction cups in the back and suction cup to your window, and I'll be right back to show you what that looks like. Okay, I just wanted to say, to put the suction cups on the back, you want to take the metal piece off first, otherwise it's going to be hard to put on. And then you take this part, stick it in there, push. Oops. And then I'll show you what it looks like on the window. Now here we have the bird feeder on the window. I'm just putting it here temporarily because the other window is a little higher up and I'm not going to be able to do that and videotape at the same time. So you just take the food and you put it in here. This is removable, so you can clean this and then put it back in here. Put your bird food in there and you're all set. Thanks for watching.